we calculate based on this information, we calculate usage of material or requirements of material for 1 unit product. Okay, 40 ringgit for material A, 40 ringgit divided by 10, equivalent to 4 kilograms. For material B, 30 ringgit divided by 6, okay, so 5 kilograms. And then you also can calculate labor hours. Okay, labor hours 20 ringgit divided by 10, which is equivalent to 2 hours. Okay, next regarding next paragraph regarding selling price. Okay, they set selling price markup 30% of production cost. That means you calculate selling price. Okay, your selling price 30% from production cost. So your selling price equivalent to 1.3 multiplied by 100 ringgit production cost. This is production cost. So RM 130. However, due to an increase in cost of business operation, marketing director suggests to increase selling price to 180 starting from 1st July 2021. Okay, so 1st July falls under which quarter? And then next paragraph, they give you forecast sales trend, and also seasonal variations. Okay, and then next paragraph, quarterly sales trend for year 2022 are expected to increase by 4% from previous quarter. Okay, and then seasonal variations expected to be as for year 2021. This is year 2021. Okay, so that means your sales volume after this figure, after this period, you multiply by 1.04. Okay, you multiply by 1.04 or you increase by 4%. Then you will get the value. Why do you need that value? Because later you will record closing inventories for quarter 4, year 2021. So you base on next period. Okay, the standard material price expected to increase by 10% starting from 1st April. Last paragraph regarding inventories. It is policy of Aralin Semerhat to always carry sufficient inventories of Bakur aromatherapy set to meet 30% of the next quarter's forecast sales. Okay, 30%. And then materials to be maintained at 40% of the next quarter's forecast production, but not to exceed 7,000 kilograms. Okay, so you keep maximum material closing inventories for material at 7,000 kilograms. Okay, and then requirement A, sales forecast is a critical early stage of the budgeting process. List down. If question asks, you start from list down. You just give your point. But then of course, give full sentence. Do not explain. Then you will get marks. Okay, list down four factors to consider when forecast sales volume. When you forecast sales volume, what are the factors that you need to consider? Okay, the answer you can get from textbooks. Read your textbooks, try to get the answer. This is factors when you forecast sales volume, not factors that give variation. Okay, that give variations when you forecast based on time series analysis. That one is different. Okay, that one's for variation. Okay, that may change your value if you forecast based on time series analysis only. Okay, then part B, prepare sales budget, production budget, material usage budget only for material A. Material usage budget only. Okay. Then this is your answer. Check your answer. Sales budget. Okay, again, you must have these 3 items for first quarter until last quarter. Okay, other than that, The one with red color is actually our workings. Okay, this one is workings. This part also workings. So make sure you show adjusted sales, selling price. Okay, your selling price increase, and then calculate your sales revenue. Okay, production budget. Okay, from this figure, we transfer to production budget. Okay, this one, transfer to production budget. Adjusted sales. Okay, then we make adjustment with opening, closing inventories. Then we calculate forecast production in units. Okay, any problem with this part? 30%, question give 30% based on next month's sales. And then don't forget to bring the value to the next period, second quarter. Any questions? How about this figure? 30% from 3,000. Okay, from this figure. Then we bring down the value. Okay, next, from production budget, this one we transfer to material purchase budget. Okay, we transfer to material purchase budget. Then we multiply by usage, we calculate just now, and then your total requirement or usage of material for quarter 1, 2, 3, and 4. So for material usage budget, up to here enough. Okay. But for learning purpose, you can proceed until forecast material purchase. This is not usage actually, purchase. Forecast quantity of material to be purchased. This part, this is actually forecast quantity of material to be purchased. This one.